So how do you really impress an audience? What are the secrets? What are the strategies? What are the techniques you need to know in order to impress an audience?
Oh, thanks for this awesome video.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
Wow, I learned quite a lot. What I could understand, I learned, and I could see the difference.
Hey, this is Bishal Sarkar, your practical public speaking mentor and creator of The Confident Expert. In this episode of The Confident Expert, you are going to pick up 3 secrets that nobody told you about impressing an audience. And why do you want to learn all that? You see, once you know the real secrets that nobody really talks about, you get to know how to really implement them into your speeches and your presentations in order to improve your speaking skills, in order to master your confidence, so you can get more opportunities at work, get more opportunities to connect with more people and expand your network and get that promotion and make that money and have more happiness and really live a life of freedom rather than living a life of fear. Does that make sense? So what are the 3 secrets? Number 1, remember, the number 1 key to being a sexy speaker, a sexy person, is not seeming like you want to be sexy as a person. Now, what does that mean? Once you go to the stage and really try to impress, today I will impress. Once you go with that mindset, you will not actually impress it. It's kind of like that old story I've told many times about a guy, Sahil, who was in my college. He was always trying hard to impress people. That's why people were always getting repelled. Nobody liked him, nobody respected him. So that's the secret number 1. Secret number 2 is, remember, this is one of the things I learned from my mentor Jason: neediness kills attraction. Neediness kills attraction. Many times we have seen many people who call you, right, and they say, sir, we want to sell you this thing right now, this is the recharge you need to do with $250, and they need it right now, and that kills attraction. What do you say? Yeah, I'll talk to you later, not interested, bye. And you disconnect the call. Same thing with you. Once you go to the stage with a neediness that today I have to get something from them, today I have to. Once you go with that mindset, it kills the attraction. They don't get attracted to you. They don't listen to you. They don't respect you. They feel you are just a chaser. You're chasing them. You don't want that. You want to help them, impact them, but not at the cost of attraction. So that's the secret number 2. And secret number 3 about impressing an audience is, remember, confidence is the perfume that seduces any audience. You know what is the best perfume you can wear? That's confidence, because that's something you cannot buy. That's something you develop. So once you go to the audience and you have that confidence in the way you speak, and it's not about just the way you speak, actually the confident men, a confident woman, confidence is seen in the way they sit, in the way they walk, in the way they look. Like there will be 5 people, right? One of them is a confident, 4 people will be talking a lot, and 1 person is going to be silently just smiling. And the rest 4 people know he's the guy. You want to be that guy. You want to be the guy who doesn't talk too much. You want to be the guy who means a lot with his words. How do you do that? With your confidence. So these are the 3 secrets. Number 1, remember that the best way to impress an audience or sound sexy or feel sexy is not actually trying to do that. Number 2, neediness kills attraction. And number 3 is, remember, confidence is the best perfume you can wear in order to seduce an audience. One of the people that we really helped in order to implement these things is a person named Madan. Now Madan had a lot of challenge with stage fear, works for a company called Infosys there in Chennai, and now he stays in USA. So he had a lot of challenges with confidence and how to impress an audience. When he reached out to us, we shared with him the step-by-step formula, a 4-step formula that he can use in order to become a confident speaker. And look at him today. Today, by actually doing all that and implementing the strategies, today Madan is a confident speaker. He can give a great presentation. He is an impressive speaker, and I want the same thing for you. So if you want to learn exactly how to impress an audience without trying to impress them, so that they become impressed. And if you want to build that credibility and give great presentation and have more freedom in your life by getting more promotions and getting more respect, I want you to invest in yourself. Not just money, but time, commitment, and money. How do you do that? Go to practicalpublicspeaking.com. That's practicalpublicspeaking.com, and reserve your spot for our upcoming class. That's a master class where I'm going to share with you the exact strategies that I've shared with Madan in order to become a confident speaker, and you can do the same thing. That's my tip for you for today. My name is Bishal Sarkar, always reminding you that confidence is the one thing that transforms everything.
I'm a man on a mission.